Welcome students, how are you all? Hope you are all fine. Today we are going to start practice sheet number 2. Question number 3 is, part number A is, the Shahid family keeps asset rupees 1550 every month for charity. How much does the family donate to charity annually? Asset of every month is 1550 and the months of the year are 12. To find the annually charity, we have multiplied the charity of the month with 12. 18,600 is the annually charity of Shahid's family. Part B is, there are 3,821 children in junior school, 2,798 children in middle school and 2,462 in senior school. What is the total strength of the school? Here we have to add the strength of junior, middle and senior school like this, and the total strength is 9,081. Number C is, 36 children went on a field trip. The total expenses were rupees 4,860. How much did the trip cost each child? Here we have expense of 36 children and we have to find the expense of single child. Children are 36 and total expenses are 4,860. To find the expense of each child, we have to divide 4,860 with 36. 135 is the expense of each child. Number D is, out of 2,669 people working in a shoe factory, 1,387 were women. How many men worked in the factory? Here we have to find the strength of men. To find the strength of men, we subtract the women's strength from the total strength in the factory. Total people are 2,069 and women are 1,387. After subtraction, 682 is the answer. So men in the factory are 682. The last question of this practice sheet is number E. An orphanage needs rupees 89,000 to buy a second-hand car. It has collected only rupees 57,697 so far. How much money is still needed? Orphanage needs 89,000 rupees and collection is 57,697. We have to subtract collection from the total money. 31,303 is the money which is needed by orphanage still. Now students, practice sheet number 3. Question number 2 is, write in expanded form. Simply students, we have to write these questions in expanded form. 27,029 is written will be write in expanded form like this. 2's place value is 20,000. 20,000 plus 7,000. Hundreds is 0. So here we write 0 plus 20 and 9. Second question is 500,000 plus 0 plus 9,000 plus 620 plus 4. Question number 4 is, underline the smallest numbers. We have to underline smallest number 864,509 is smallest number and 718,240 is smallest number in this line. Question number 5 is write vertically and solve. Now we have to add and subtract the values. Number A is 48,168, 15,777, 137,692. The addition is 201,637, and number B is 460,421, 279,653. The subtractions answer is 180,768. Now question number 11 is use the long division method. Here we use long division method to solve these questions. Number A is 138 is dividend, 18 is divisor, 18 sevens are 126, 12 is remainder. And number B is 290 divided by 40, 40 sevens are 280, 10 is the remainder. Number C is 84 divisor, 7,329 is dividend, 84 8s are 672. Now we subtract 672 from this dividend. 60 is the remainder. We pick this 9, 84 sevens are 588, 21 is the remainder. Number D is 38 remainder and divisor and 561 is dividend. 38 ones are 38, 126 is next dividend, 38 3s are 114 and 121 is next dividend and 38 3s are 114, 7 is the remainder. Question number 12. Part A is a crossword book contains 540 puzzles. If Sarah solves 12 puzzles every day, how many days will it take her to complete the book? Here we have puzzles. Puzzles are 540 and Sarah solved every day 12 puzzles. Now she takes days to complete book. 540 divided by 12 is equal to 45. She will take 45 days to solve this puzzle book. Number B is if Adil can cycle 15 kilometer 1500 meters in 1 hour, how far can he cycle in 12 minutes? Adil cycle in 1 hour 1500 meter. He cycle in 12 minutes. 1500 divided by 60 because there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. 60 divided by 1500 multiplied by 12 is equal to 3000. He cycled in 12 minutes 3000 meter. Okay students, today's lecture is complete. Allah Hafiz.